वीणामुपलालयन्तीं मदालसां मञ्जुळवाग्विलासां माहेन्द्रनीलद्युतिकोमलाङ्गीं मातङ्गकन्यां मनसा स्मरामि। चतुर्भुजे चन्द्रकलावतंसे कुचोन्नते कुङ्कुमरागशोणे पुण्ड्रेक्षुपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणहस्ते नमस्ते जगदेकमातः।
On the seventh day of Navratri, let us visit the northeastern state of Assam. Devi Kalratri, the goddess who rules the dark night, is the presiding deity of this day. The color for the day is green, which symbolizes the limpid beauty of nature.
Let us visit the Devi Kamakhya temple. Devi Kamakhya is goddess of desire. This 16th century temple is located in the Kamrup district of Assam. This temple is one of the 51 Shakti Pithas of Devi Sati, the wife of ascetic god, Lord Shiva. The Mahamaya Dham is regarded as one of the greatest Shakti Pithas in Assam. It is located in Parbat Jhora near Kokrajhar. The goddess Mahamaya is the patron deity of the local tribes of Parbat Jhora. Shakti Yajnas are performed here during Navratri.
In Assam, this festival is celebrated to commemorate Ma Durga's victory over the demon Mahishasura and represents the victory of peace and dharma over ego and evil. During Durga Puja, devotees worship different avatars of Goddess Durga for 9 days and observe fast. Some observe fast for 9 days, while some prefer to fast on the first and last day of this festive period. At Durga Bari, during these 9 days, prayers are done as per Vedic rituals and Aarti is done 3 times in a day, morning, afternoon and evening. Hymns are sung at evening, and all these days devotees throng here to worship and appease Goddess Durga. Kumari Puja is performed in temples where young adolescent girls are honored with food, jewelry and clothes.
The Assamese adorn very simple handloom dresses. Women wear motif-rich makhela chador or riha makhela. The men wear surya or dhoti and over it they drape a chador known as seling. Gamosa is an indispensable part of almost all socio-religious ceremonies in Assam. It is derived from the Kamrupi word Gamasa, which was used to cover the Bhagavad Purana at the altar. It is considered as an act of purification and used to clean the body after bath. Assami men wear dhoti gamosa, which is their traditional dress. Bihu dancers wrap it around their hair and it is often used to cover the altar at the prayer hall or the scriptures. The other things like tamulpan and surya are also important symbols.
Let us relish at some of the mouth-watering dishes. Payok is a very popular Assamese dessert made with rice and milk. It is commonly prepared as an offering to God. Masoor dal or bor is a popular Assamese snack prepared with red lentils or masoor dal.
Let us now hear a music presentation by Arushi Gopinath.
Om tumi zogodone ma, Om tumi zogodone ma, Bhakti rupini jnano daini hoti diyahi ma, Lokhi oi homi bao bhagi, Hodai Lokhi ma khomi bao bhagidai, Ram tomaro kheva ko korim kene koriyo, amaro hokoti nai, amaro hokoti nai, বাও ভাগি খমি বাও ভাগিদার উমা তুমি জগতরে মা উমা তুমি জগতরে মা ভক্তি রূপিণী জ্ঞান দায়িনী হতে দিয়ে মা লক্ষ্মী ওই খমি বাও ভাগি হোদায় লক্ষ্মী মা খমি বাও ভাগিদায়
Let us end this day's presentation. Join us on our journey to another state and witness the Navratri celebrations.